Before we actually buy PRVX, here's why people are even paying attention to it. It's built around what's called deflationary tokenomics. All that really means is, over time, there's supposed to be less of the token available. And the way PRVX does that is by tying usage back into the token. So when people use the token and fees get generated, those fees don't just disappear, they're designed to interact with the token in a way that can reduce supply. The main idea is that more usage creates more pressure on the token, which causes less supply over time. If more people are using it while the supply is shrinking, that can push the value up. But that only works if people are using it, and because of that, it's a token on PulseChain that people are watching very closely. As more people use it and supply gets reduced, the price has room to move up quite a lot over time. Alright, let's get into how to actually buy it. First, you'll open up your browser and head to app.0xcoast.com. Then either sign in or create an account. Once you're logged in, make sure that your wallet is connected. Find and click the Deposit and Withdraw tab on the left. In the Deposit section, click Zelle Pay, scan the QR code, and fill out the necessary information. Do not forget to enter the code provided on the Coast website in the memo portion. This part is absolutely required. Once all the transaction information has been typed in, be sure to approve it. After the transaction has been completed through Zelle, we can now see the USD balance on our Coast dashboard. Now we'll be able to use our USD balance to purchase PRVX tokens. Go to the Buy and Sell tab on the left. For this example, we will use $5 USD. Select the PRVX icon in the drop-down menu, then click Check Price. Once the price appears, click Buy. After that, you'll see a pop-up that says Buy Initiated. After a short processing period, you will see the PRVX in your wallet. Find PRVX and more PulseChain assets today at app.0xcoast.com.